So we have a 2016 Nissan Nivara 2.3 diesel. I'm just going to show you how to reset the service. So you want to go get the ignition on. You come to your enter button, find settings, so you have to scroll up or down. Some of them have it here, so just go left to right. Press enter. So for this one, we just click it in. Come down to maintenance. You can see on the screen it says service. Click enter. Service. It says 5,000. This customer likes to service his car every so often. He does it more than the actual service schedule because there's quite a lot of miles, so it keeps it nice and fresh. So to reset it, if it needs a service, it will come up saying engine service, but just click enter, reset, yes. It's just servicing 18,641 miles, but he'll probably do it in another 10 or so, so that's it. And you go back, turn ignition off and your service light will be gone.